In today's tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to combine bodies in Fusion 360 using the most efficient methods available in the software. Whether you are a beginner just starting out or an experienced designer, knowing how to merge, cut, or intersect bodies is a fundamental skill that will streamline your entire 3D modeling workflow. This process is essential when you want to create complex shapes from simple components, or if you need to prepare your models for 3D printing and manufacturing, where a single solid part is often required. If you find this video helpful and it saves you some time on your project, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more high-quality Fusion 360 guides just like this one. Let's jump right into the software and get started. First, you need to have your bodies already created and visible in your workspace. Once you are ready, move your cursor up to the top toolbar. You are looking for the Modify menu. Click on Modify, and then scroll down to find the Combine tool. You can also press a custom shortcut if you have one set up, but the standard way is through the Modify dropdown. Clicking this will open the Combine dialog box on the right side of your screen. The first thing Fusion 360 asks for is the target body. The target body is the primary component that you want to keep or modify. Click on the body in your canvas that serves as the main base for your operation. Once the target body is selected and highlighted, you will notice the selection focus shifts to the tool bodies. The tool body is the second piece of geometry that will be interacting with your target. Click on the secondary body in the workspace. You can actually select multiple tool bodies if you have several parts you want to combine with the target all at once. Now look at the Operation drop-down menu in the dialog box. This is the most critical part of the process. You have three main choices here. The first is Join. This merges the target and tool bodies into one single continuous solid part. This is perfect for creating a unified mesh. The second option is Cut. This uses the tool body like a cookie cutter to remove its shape from the target body, which is vital for creating slots, holes, or complex indentations. The third option is Intersect. This will delete everything except for the volume where the two bodies overlap. This is a very powerful way to create unique geometric shapes that would be difficult to model otherwise. Below these options, you will see a checkbox for New Component and Keep Tools. If you check Keep Tools, Fusion 360 will perform the operation but won't delete the original tool body, which is great if you need to use that same shape elsewhere later. Once you have made your selection and verify the preview on your screen looks correct, go ahead and click OK. Fusion 360 will instantly process the command and perform the selected combine operation on your bodies. You will now see the result in your browser tree as either a single body or a modified version of your target. It is really that simple, but incredibly powerful for building professional-grade models. If this breakdown helped you master the Combine tool today, please hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next Fusion 360 tutorial.